Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA update, diving into Bitcoin. Guys, what's happening? Okay, let's have a look. Straight in. So this is on the monthly time frame. Zooming out here and looking at the larger perspective. Okay, so I'm just going to go through a couple, bull market cycles and bear markets and explain basically what happens when we lose certain indicators and some patterns, for example, historically speaking, throughout looking at this chart. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, I'm gonna get a few trend lines in here. So this is the 2013 bull market top. Okay, so Bitcoin came up, it had this massive bull market, it met a top here, blow off top at a price of around $1,200. Okay, and then what it did there, entered the bear. Okay, and what gave us confirmation to the bear market was we started forming this triangle pattern here, which was a high, a lower high, and then we lost support of this 20 EMA, this yellow line, and crashed. Okay, and we crashed and found a low. That was a bear market. Okay, that's an example of a bear market. The 2013 high, okay, to January 2015 was the bear market. And at January 2015, you can see we found support, okay, and we started climbing back above this yellow line. When you're above the yellow line, this is when you're in the bull market, okay, and the price of Bitcoin is going up. Okay, so this was the 2013 high, this was the 2013 bear market low. Now this was the 20 from 2015 to 2018 bull market. Okay, so bull market, bear market, bull market, and then at this 2018 high, again, what happened here, just like what happened here, okay, we was in this triangle, as I said, okay, just again here, when we met the top in 2018, we was also in this triangle, okay, where you're forming lower highs. We lost the 20 EMA, just like we did here. We lost the 20 EMA, crashed, okay, we lost the yellow line, 20 EMA, crashed. But where did we find support again? If you see here, okay, this is where this red line would have been. This is the 55 EMA. We found support there, and that's when the bull market continued. And again, in 2018, we crashed, okay, and we found support on this red line, and this is where the bull market continued. Okay, this area here is Corona, so it's a bit of a black swan event, so I'm not going to dive too much into that. A lot of people know what that is already, okay, but historically speaking, the past two bear markets have had very similar structures in regards to chart patterns, okay, and technically, when you lose this yellow line, okay, just like you did here, just like you did here, just like we did here, okay, you come down to the red. Historically speaking, come to the red. Lost the yellow, come to the red. Lost the yellow, come to the red. Okay, we're currently losing. If we look where we are now, we're currently losing the yellow. So my technical target for Bitcoin, for that reason, and getting a closed candle beneath that 20 EMA on the monthly is quite a negative sign. Okay, historically speaking, as I said, once you close below this yellow line, you're coming down to this 55. Now, the current price of the 55 EMA for Bitcoin at the moment is roughly around 25k, I'd say 25.3k or something stupid like that. It's not stupid, but something like that. And as this is going to be creeping up a little bit, it might rise and we actually come down and meet that. Okay, I'm looking at 26k. And the reason being is because we've got this level of support here, okay? And if we start to come down, just like we did in previous bear markets, we're showing the same structure, then technically we're already in a bear market, okay? And I was long against that and thinking about this, okay? I didn't want to see everything of mine just crash to zero. It's my first time experiencing a bear. I was here for 2021, okay? And I've been suffering ever since. So, I'm just trying to get used to everything and help you guys and learn with me along the way. But this is the target, unfortunately. So, for me, right now, I want to show you why the 1618 and why this area, why this area here, this 55, is where I think Bitcoin's trying to get to. So, if we get a fib on, okay, Fibonacci retracement, I'm going to go from the 48k, the high that we're retracing from, down to the 33k, which is the low that 32k, 33k that we put in January 2022. Okay, now from the 48k to 32k, you can see that the 1618 target is around 26k. So as this creeps up, as I said, once you close below the 20 here, which we have, And if you come down and start hitting your head and, you know, maybe come up, have a relief rally into these 050 and 0618s, you know, you're getting depleting buying pressure. So you've got a high, a low, a high, a lower high, a low, a lower high, holding support. But once you lose, if we lose 32K, okay, my next technical target is 26K. Okay, you've also got 28K, which would act as support, I do believe, because you can see right here, that's the summer lows. Okay, I think it would be quite hard to cascade through that, but you never know. We might literally just come down, put a nasty wick in, let this 55 come up, a nasty wick on the 55, and then that's where Bitcoin's bear market is over. You know, and as I've said, showing you through the charts, that would also, I think, be a technical target roughly of something like this. Go from the candle close. It's there, isn't it? Yeah. So something like that, you know, and that, yeah, again, it would bring you down to like, that's 22K. I don't think that's going to go there. But again, guys, that's an update for you. I hope you enjoyed. I'm looking at this 55. Wherever this 55 is, a nasty wick below it, potentially come down, test a low area of support. And then, you know, I think the bulls will come back into play. But yeah, that's a quick update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And from Chart Nerd TA, peace out until next time.